Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 16th of April, and we are glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. The pair Euro/USD continues to trade within the side corridor of 1.2420, 1.2240. Last week, the price rose to the level of 1.2395, but then it was corrected to the middle line of Bollinger Bands to the level of 1.2325. If it is broken down, the fall of the price may continue to the 1.2240 and 1.2150 marks. Otherwise, the price may grow to the levels of 1.2420 and 1.25. Technical indicators are generally neutral. MACD histogram is at the zero line, its volumes are insignificant. Bollinger Bands are horizontal, only Stochastic reversed downwards. Fundamental events of the week include data on retail sales and industrial production in the US, as well as data on the Consumer Price Index and the Business Sentiment Index of the Eurozone. Generally, the resumption of growth is possible, but one cannot exclude the decline in case of breakdown the mark of 1.2325. The pair GBP/USD rose to 1.4260 last week, and in case of its breakout, it could reach the January highs around the 1.4340 mark. However, the beginning of a downward correction to the midline of Bollinger Bands to the area of 1.41 is entirely possible. This is indicated by the reversal of Stochastic in the overbought zone. Other indicators confirm the growth of quotations. Bollinger Bands are pointing upwards, and MACD histogram increases in the positive zone. Fundamental events of the week include the data on the Consumer Price Index and labour market statistics of the UK. Generally, the resumption of decline is possible, but one cannot exclude the growth in case of breakout the mark of 1.4260. Last week, the pair USD/JPY traded at the level of 106.90, but on Friday it grew to the area of 107.80. In case of breakdown of this mark, growth to the level of 109 is possible. The mark of 106.90 is still seen as key for the bears, which coincides with the Fibonacci correction of 61.8%. When consolidated below it, the price may drop to the levels of 106.20 and 105. Technical indicators show growth. Bollinger Bands and Stochastic are reversing upwards, and MACD histogram grows in the positive zone. Fundamental events of the week include the publication of data on the Consumer Price Index and industrial production in Japan. Generally, the continuation of growth is possible, but one cannot exclude the decline in case of the price consolidating below the level of 106.90. Last week, the pair AUD/USD consolidated above the level of 0.7750 and may continue to rise to the level of 0.7850, which coincides with the Fibonacci correction of 23.6%. In the case of a breakdown of the level of 0.7750, the price is likely to return to the levels of 0.7690 and 0.7640. Technical indicators show mixed signals. MACD histogram is about to move to the positive zone and to form a buy signal. Stochastic reversed downwards. Fundamental events of the week include data on the Australian labour market. Generally, the continuation of growth seems probable, but one cannot exclude a decline in case of breakdown of the level of 0.7750. Last week, quotes of gold showed mixed dynamics. After rising to the level of 1365, a correction was made to the midline of Bollinger Bands to the area of 1335. This level is seen as the key for the bears. If it is broken down, the fall of the price may continue to the 1323 and 1313 marks. In case of breakout the level of 1348, the growth is likely to continue to the levels of 1357 and 1365. Technical indicators show mixed signals. Bollinger Bands are pointing upwards, a MACD histogram is growing in the positive zone, Stochastic is pointing downwards. Generally, to enter the market, it is necessary to wait for the breakout of key level of 1348 or the breakdown of the level of 1323. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading!